जाति बंधु हो चाहे कोई हो, सभी को उसका लाभ मिल सके। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Honorable Chairman. Sir, my submission is regarding for Kendriya Vidyalaya. I made this request several times before the government by submission and by letters. Sir, Kendriya Vidyalaya are open primarily to cater of the educational needs of the wards of transferable central government employees, including defence, paramilitary person, central autonomous body, central public sector undertakings, and the Central Institute of Higher Training by providing a common program of education throughout the country. Sir, there are many Kendriya Vidyalaya in other constituencies of Kerala, but in my constituency, Chalakudy, there isn't even one. My constituency includes many employees working in railway sector, coastal guard, air enclave, CSI staff in Cochin International Airport, and even in central government institutions. Hence, a Kendriya Vidyalaya is most needed in our constituency for the education of their children. Therefore, sir, I request the central government to kindly initiate a proposal to start a Kendriya Vidyalaya in my constituency, Chalakudy, and I would like to inform you that the required land is also available there. Thank you, sir.